Hello everybody, how are we all? Throat's a bit old thingy today, a bit froggy, don't know why. Welcome to day 4 of Nat's Family Favourites. Day 3 we done on the live stream yesterday. If you never watched it, if you're wondering where it's gone. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing beef casserole. We're going to slow cook it, and I'm also going to be doing it with some air fryer roast potatoes. Nice and simple, does itself, done it virtually. Let me show you what we got. Okay, I've got 600 gram of beef diced up. I've got 2 onions and 2 carrots. With the onions, I just chopped them a little bit chunky, and obviously the carrots, just dice them up. I've got a little bit of flour just to cover the old beef in. I've got some broccoli, which I'm going to stick in at the very end, just so it cooks in the slow cooker. And with my roast potatoes, I'm going to do it with them, garlic and herb. That's what we're going to do. And just a bit of salt, and obviously your beef casserole with 400 ml of water. Nice and simple. So first things first, get your flour in, and a bit of salt. And we'll just mix it up. And while I'm just before I mix it, I'm just going to get my slow cooker on the fry function, just to fry the beef up. And we'll give this a mix. I was just going to put some paprika in it. I've just looked, I've got all this seasoning and I ain't got no paprika left, so that's how I'm going to have to get some. But never mind. Just coat the beef, that's all. That's it. Now we'll wait for the slow cooker to warm up. Okay, well I'm just waiting for that fry section on my slow cooker, well multi-cooker, to warm up. I'm just going to mix me casserole seasoning with me cold water. Get out of mix, just to get everything ready then, ain't it? No messing around, is there then? That's that done. And we're just going to season my veg with a bit of salt. There we go. It's warming up now. Let's bring that forward now. Should be warming up. Look, tell you what, these multi-cookers are really good, you know. This is Russell Hobb one. Really good. There's loads. Let that fat eat, that oil heat up, and then we will get the good old. Oh. Guys, I've lost the seasoning. It's all gone over the side. Right, plan 2. Oh no, look at it. Oh, give me a minute. Right guys, we are back. You don't say that, I'm telling you. Oh, what a nightmare. Right. Well, that's messed it up, ain't it? The video. Well, it ain't messed the video up. It's just I'm not going to be able to use that seasoning, am I? I'm just going to have to make my own up, that's all. Let's just fry the beef up while we make some seasoning up. Oh, dearie me, eh? Never mind. Oh. There is a little bit left, so I just put some beef cubes, stock cubes in with some hot water and some tomato puree or something in there. And we'll give it all a mix. We'll fry them up. That's what I got left, look. A little bit at the bottom there. Gonna put 400 ml of hot water in here now. There we go. Couple of beef stock cubes. I hadn't planned for that bit, I tell you. Get them in there. And I'm just going to put a bit of tomato puree in. And I might even just put some mixed herbs in there or something now, I think. I don't know. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. Give it a mix. So I got no paprika either, so... never mind. Hey, hey! Oh, paprika! I've only got a little bit, look, I found some. That'll do. That will do. I'm going to get that in. And I get a mix. That's on my shopping list for tomorrow then, some paprika. I need to get some of that. It's my favourite. Give that probably another minute, guys. Okay, that'll do for the beef. Now my carrots and my onion, get them in. And on top like that. Turn that off. Get the slow cooker function going. I'm going to get me made up gravy sauce now. And I got a little bit of mixed herbs. I'm just going to stick a little bit of that in. Not a lot. I can always add more as I go halfway through. We'll see. I don't know how tasty that's going to be now. And that's it. I put that on for 4 hours on high. So all I'll do, with about an hour to go, I will just parboil some potatoes, ready to air fry the roasters. Okay guys, we've got half an hour left on the old casserole. I've just pre-boiled some potatoes. Just 10-minute pre-boil, that's all, and they're just sitting there. Now, we're going to get a bit of oil on the old spuds. And then we're going to get some garlic and herb on. No need of salt and pepper if I'm using this, I suppose. I've never tried this on potatoes before, but we're going to try it now, ain't we? We want to get a bit on, don't we? Because we want that flavour. Put it on there. We'll give it a little shake. Fluff them up a little bit. There we go, that'll do us. A little bit more, there we go. There we go. I will get my air fryer warmed up and we'll get them in then. Okay, air fryer's warmed up, I'm hoping you can see. I'm just putting them in the bottom of the basket. So we'll get some oil. I'll put it on 200 degrees for 30 minutes. And we'll just check it as we go, ain't we? Want to get them crispy, let's get them in. And we'll just keep turning them. Tell you what, this 69p herb from B&M's quite nice, you know. If you haven't had it before, say 69p, B&M air fry stuff. And it is quite nice. That's them. And where is it? The old casserole, there it is. It's got 20 minutes left, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my fluettes, which I've just chopped up. There they are. And we're just going to put them on top. I'm going to have a nice little simple. And they will just cook for the last 15-20 minutes. There we go, and I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, we are ready. Well, the roasters have got about 3 or 4 minutes to go, that's all. But the meat's done, so we're going to dish that up first. I've had to put you on me oven because I've got no room. So I've got a couple of things out. Let's get some meat out first. Bear with me. Lazy. Gonna make a right mess, ain't I? A bit of broccoli on the side. And that likes broccoli, don't you, Bab? He likes the old broccoli. Let me do the other one. It smells really nice, Benji. It's I've had to mess around with it, if you get me. And the roasters. Oh yes, certainly their fry roasters look delicious. Let me show ya. Look at them. Look at that crunch. Probably can't see properly because of the light. How many air fryer roasters do you want, Bab? Three? You want three? Could have done 6 then, weren't it?
Starving.
You're starving? Starving? Is that that?
Trying to be quiet without a hiccup.
Yeah, she's got the hiccups, been scoffing the crusty bread.
I had one slice and it's going
Yeah, one slice. You and your one slices. Yeah. Well, there we go, guys. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Might be a bit dark, you might not be able to see much. But there we go. Anyway, let's get on the table and let's have a go. So, what do we think? Them roasters look delicious, don't they? We love our roasters done in the oven, but beans as there was only them. They look nice, and that's tucking right in, ain't you, Bab?
Yeah.
Don't want to film too much because you're struggling with your hands today, cutting it, you sweetheart.
Yeah.
I'll move the mic around a little bit so then you can hear her. There we go.
I don't want you filming.
No, you're alright, Bab. Yeah, no. And we've got some crunchy bread. Let me get a closer look anyway first. There's some crunchy bread. Lidl bread dallies. I just popped down Lidl earlier because I forgot my bread. It looks really soft as well.
Them taters are really nice.
Them taters nice.
Oh, they're lovely.
And roasters, look. Tell you what, that 69p stuff from B&M is good. Garlic and herb. They're nice.
I'm going to try some casserole now. Oh, that's really nice.
Is that nice? Beans the same made because I cocked up. What did you call me?
I don't know what
A bleeping idiot.
I don't know what
Bleeping idiot. What are you? A bleeping idiot. Does it need any salt or anything? No?
Perfect.
Perfect. Wow.
Absolutely perfect. Did you taste it? You went along?
No.
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 Well, you've done well then. And taters, when most of the well nice.
I don't know. Let's try one. Let's bring it down a bit so you can see.
For a change, doing them in the air fryer. They're nice.
I think that garlic and herb probably helped it along, didn't it?
Yeah, the outside bit's really
Listen
nice.
to see if we can hear a crunch. Yeah. Oh yeah. That was in 25 minutes I was in.
Couple of hot. A bit too hot for you.
Very hot.
Too hot for you.
Very hot.
Very nice though.
Oh, they've got a nice bit of garlic flavour there, ain't they? Oh yeah. Oh, they're nice, ain't they? And really soft as well.
Sure, it's nice.
All in up. Let's see if we can pick them up. Beans are cocked up, yeah?
It's really nice.
Oh. Too hot. Oh, they're really nice. If you haven't got any of that stuff from B&M, get some. 69p. It's really nice for them roasters, isn't it, that?
Is that all about 69p?
69p, yeah.
That's really good.
Bang on.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's loads more in the pot there. Not roasters, but meal. A bit of crunchy bread. And some butter. Better get another knife. Oh, butter. Margarine. I got butter, but it's too hard. That's for Saturdays.
I like that butter.
One of Nat's favourite Saturday.
I like that.
Big style favourite coming up. All homemade.
Oh.
Does it say nice? Does it say nice?
You know I love food.
All homemade, yeah. Coming up Saturday. How's it today? Thursday, tomorrow.
Oh.
Something nice and simple tomorrow. And then Saturday's going to be an absolute banger, I hope.
That sounds nice.
Not if it works. I'll give you a clue. To do with pastry. Please. Yes, it might be a pie. It might be Nat's favourite pie.
Minced beef and onion.
Shh. No.
They already know my favourite, yeah.
Yeah. Homemade minced beef and onion. All pastry made myself and everything.
That sounds
I'm planning on anyway.
Bless you.
We'll see. I'm enjoying this. Can't eat them guys to get the water what.
You've done a really good job. I love a casserole though.
What are you going to do next week, Bab? I'm back to...
I don't go cry. Cry? I'm going to do.
Never mind, eh? Anyway, what are you going to mark it before we go? Because I'm going to get down my neck.
It's just...
Just banging.
It's too hard to mark today. It's just... It's just so nice. I'm really enjoying it. So it's well over a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
So
well
that,
over.
would you say that over the sausage casserole?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
There you go then. That over the, because you said sausage casserole's better than the old, what do you have, shepherd's pie, didn't you? And you didn't really like the one on the live stream yesterday.
It was nice, but
it was not like, yeah.
I'm too spoiled with food.
So, yeah. Well, there you go then. Nice and simple, guys. Even though I cocked up, I rectified it. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.